Tooltips can be a powerful analytical tool providing additional information when the viewer hovers over or clicks on a mark. Tooltips are very customizable. Here's an example of a heavily formatted tooltip providing a lot of information. Any field in the view can be displayed on the tooltip. Field not part of the view can be brought to the tooltip shelf. Let's say we added number of records. We can edit the tooltip editor and add the content. And insert the value from here. If the command button are undesired, they can be toggled off with this checkbox here. Tooltips are often underestimated as a part of analysis, but they can convey a lot of information. Many parts of the view can be independently formatted. To see if a number, legend, or any part of a view can be formatted, right-click or bring up the menu to see if the format option is available. For this example, hovering over a filter brings up the menu option in the header. Many aspects of the layout for the interactive filter can be controlled directly from this menu. But if we click Format Filters, the Format pane opens, offering us various options for font, alignment, etc. These options will be based on what we are trying to format. To adjust the layout of the axis, right-click and select Edit Axis. This dialog controls things like range, tick marks, and title. We can edit the range saying upping it to 115. We can make the tick marks to every 50 unit. Back on the axis, we see those changes reflected. Additionally, this pin icon has appeared. This indicates that axis is no longer automatic. Double-clicking will bring back the dialog. If we add a dimension in front of shipping cost, such as order priority, we now have an axis per dimension. When we right-click and select Edit Axis now, these options make little more sense. By clicking on Uniform Axis Range for all rows or column, or by selecting Independent. If we select Independent, Tableau will automatically rescale the axis per pane. To hide an axis entirely, right-click on the axis and click on Show Header. Right-clicking on axis and selecting Format, will bring up the Format pane and allows for visual control of what the tick marks look like.